Hello guys from Cologne. We are here to the biggest shows in Europe and I'm happy to present you this new microscope of Zumax, and I will illustrate you some of the new features that this model OMS 3200 has. As you can see, it is a motorized microscope and it's very easy and well balanced. You can move it very easily, and then with just one click it just stays still. Okay, one feature that I like is the possibility to document my cases with picture and video just by a foot control pedal, as you can see here. So sometimes we need to have both hands while we work, so I don't even want to use a button for the picture, and I just push right here and I have immediately a picture that can be seen on a full screen, and it's a 4K. Okay, you can obviously adjust the interpupillary distance. Mine is 62, I found out, and I will never forget it. Okay, and so you can really adjust it in a matter of seconds. Okay, the controls are pretty easy and they are the same if you are left hand or right hand. You have a zoom control, okay, as you can see, up and down, and this zoom speed, it is important to know that you can regulate the speed through an electronic display control. Okay, I will not go in details because it's pretty easy, but there are so many features that sometimes I even myself forget it. Okay, because this microscope has also fluorescence light. Okay, let me see, I don't even remember how to activate it. Let's see. Okay, and as you can see, it's very easy to use it, and you can see composite, decay. This is a very nice feature, okay, that is integrated in the microscope. Yesterday I showed you that the Design for Vision has it on his loops, but here it's completely integrated, this feature. Okay, so let's go back to the normal light. Okay, then it has also the possibility to adjust the focus if you go right and left direction. Okay, as you can see in the screen, if you are out of focus, you can adjust it. Plus there is another nice feature that I like. If you are out of focus when you start working, you just press with one finger in 1 second this button, and as you can see in the picture, it will automatically go in focus. So this is very nice when you just place the microscope on the patient, and with just one button you get in focus. This microscope has also many other features. For example, it has a router inside in which you can attach 3 different connection. If you have an iPad, Wi-Fi, it can show what you see on the patient. So really it's another very nice feature. And then I don't know, for sure I'm forgetting something. Yes, I have the connector that it can be also 3D. You have 2 options on this model. You can have a 4K and you can have also the 3D. The 3D can be useful for teaching purpose if you want, but also the 4K, as you can see, I don't know if this phone camera has the 4K option, but really the quality of the image is amazing. And yes, I was forgetting another nice feature. This particular model has a double LED light. As you can see here, you can turn on a second light system, and really it's super bright. You really go inside the canal, as you can see. Now I will show you on the screen, but I'm telling you, the screen it's a lot darker. Okay, I'm able to see inside the canal. If you look inside the eyepiece, it's much brighter, the image. I don't know why, but it's a lot brighter. Okay, so I'm able to see really to the end of the canal. Really, for breaking instruments, there is not anymore any limit to the power of the light. Okay, So really I suggest the model that I already have. I will have soon, I just ordered it, and there is the Pro version that we will go and we will show you a big difference, because this kind of model has only this arm with the motor. In the Pro you have all the other arm with the motor, and you will see that you will be able to move even the other two arms. So watch now and you will see the difference in a second. We will go inside the Zumax van and we will show you. Okay, let's go. Bye bye. Now we will go with Alberto and we will show you the great idea that we had, and I suggest Alberto, and he was really crazy to realize it, because you know you have to be a genius to have such an idea, but you have to be another genius to realize it. So as you can see from the same haircut that we have, we are both genius because we burned all our hair. We have too many neurons that works. And here it is, the Zumax van. There is not the logo yet, but very soon there will be the logo. Now turn it on and then I'll come and I will show it.
Of course, this is all the package of the microscope I have to bring to the exhibition, but no, just this one. No? Okay, turn it on.
Okay.
Now we have to wait. This is making the self-check.
And this, as you can see, it's pretty much the same model as the one I showed you, all the feature, but
no handles.
there is this big difference. As you can see, all the arms are motorized. Okay, it goes all the way.
Leave.
And you see, you just move everything, you just put it on the patient, then you just leave it, and it's perfectly balanced. Okay, so you have this kind of movement, like the other one, and then all the motors that really makes this microscope maneuverability incredible. Really incredible.
No, basta.
So, okay, and keep in touch for the other news from Cologne. See you.